What's up, guys? Brand new YouTube vlog. So I'm sorry for slacking videos, so slacking laka. So yeah. So today, me and my sister she checked my phone for some reason, like the snowman. But yeah. Mm. But today I feel like, well, but why not? So yeah. So I did test this like a minute, and at least a minute I think of. Yeah, a minute. So I will test this for you guys. And let me get a perfect angle because I'm not good at angles. I feel like right here is good. What about perfect? Alright. I don't know if you can see my tired body. Just a minute there. That's good. Okay. So I know some guys don't know me so well. Like big fan of something. I love Harry Potter so much because I always grew up Harry Potter. Okay, put that there. Oh wait, hold on. Wait. Try and be careful with this. The one thing I do like about this, listen. Come on. Listen, it's coming. Oh, guys. I'm back. My sister needs to get the thing up with the snow. Alright. I did actually get the sound effects on this thing. But I do, let me fix this a little bit. And my phone is not, it going to line up. Think, smidge. There you go. Alright. All together. Okay. But first, let me get my tracks. Let me do 33. You know what's funny? These things will not come in question. I think low can have price. 3. You guys like my videos? Give me a subscribe. You like Harry Potter? I'll say. Okay. Actually, I'll try something. So the saying, find it. The saying is 65x41. So it should be this size for this rug. But I'll try it maybe. But that's 3. I'll try 4. I think 4 like this size. I think of. I mean, I have so 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So that's all the tracks. Now I can get the curve. And somehow I got 2, 3, like 8. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to make this big if I can. And so that's a challenge. Okay, so that's the face there. Like in my other shirt out too. And this is actually along my arm. That's not realized. My arm seeing eat the pot. Yeah. I'm not one of those type of guys like, oh, he played one of those dumb Minecraft things. Well, no, there. It's good entertainment. Okay. So something like, yeah, something like this. No, I do got 3. What was I? Yeah, 3. I hope. 1, 2, 3. I hope this is a good size. If not, I don't know. So I did put 2. Yeah, I put 2. Make sure. Why are you not together? There it goes. Okay. Well, we're not together, so I fixed it. Okay. Now, think something like this. Well, I didn't make it kind of bigger. At all. And there you go. And a lot bigger, I thought. Okay. So grab my phone and probably zip my tracks over here. Let's see. I think right there. Yeah, right there. Okay. Alright. A little bit zoom back. Not too. There you go. Okay. I'm kind of using my lens a little bit. Can I get you? I need to turn that. You and these 2. Alright. And my magics. Okay. So I'm actually. Let me put my phone here. I hope you can see me. Yes, you can. Okay. Alright. So first thing first, I need this. Make sure we're in the line. Let's see the rails. Yeah, not in the rails. Okay. I get this part. So this is actually kind of cool for me because really not. Okay. Alright, now last not final is the last one over here. And I think you get a whale track. I think. Okay. Alright, now 3, 2. I think I fixed it. There it goes. Oh, this down. I don't know why I made that sound, but I don't know. Okay, so let me give you guys a perfect angle. Oh, that's look cool. I'm not lying. Okay, now can I go? Oh, that's what this. Oh, stuck. There it goes. Oh, that's cool. Back the box. Ah. So yeah. I don't know why I didn't do that. On the rails or anything. Oh, it's not on the rails. That's why. Hold on, let me fix. Alright, hold on. Hogwarts alert, Hogwarts alert. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So make sure you are the Shrek. Okay. Okay. Normal. Normal. You are not normal. Okay. Okay, so somehow my Shreks are not a line up. Okay. Yep, no 2. 2. Well, maybe it's my screen. 2. There you go, I fixed it. It's my tie tracks. But yeah. So now up it. Cause she did her thing. Make 5 more. I don't know why it does that. Oh, that's a good angle. I'm not lying. Oh, perfect shot. Now, can I go something like this? Ooh! Okay, I'm being weird. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I love the hay parking, thumbs up. Blah, blah, blah. Here's a big thumbs up. Can't talk today, but yeah. But yeah, if you guys love Harry Potter all much, there's definitely getting big like. So yeah, so give me guys a favor. They like, subscribe, put me on and share with your friends. And also comment down below what Team Hogwarts. Any Gryffindors, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, Hufflepuff, or no, that's 4. Okay, so Gryffindor, Slytherin, Hufflepuff, and Ravenclaw. No, Gryffindor, Slytherin, Hufflepuff. Yeah, Ravenclaw. Alright, make sure I got all the things. Alright, so thank you for watching, and you have a amazing, wonderful day. Peace.